Today we are chatting with Marco Romero, who is the CEO of Euro Manganese, ASX code EMN. Now today the company has announced it has signed 2 agreements with the European Institute of Innovation and Technology, commonly known as InnoEnergy, and that is a body of the European Union. So Marco, what is this announcement? Who is InnoEnergy and what is their mandate?
EIT InnoEnergy is an organization that is mandated by the European Institute of Technology and the European Union to support, accelerate the transition into advanced forms of renewable energy and energy storage in Europe. They also lead an organization that was created by the EU known as the European Battery Alliance, which brings together pretty much everyone in the European battery industry, including the automotive companies, the battery companies themselves, and an entire ecosystem.
And Marco, what do these agreements mean for Euro Manganese, and what is the objective?
After many months of discussions, review, due diligence, we came to an agreement with EIT InnoEnergy where they would support the advancement, the acceleration of our Chvaletice manganese project in the Czech Republic. And this entails a variety of services to assist us secure funding, mainly from European Union institutions, governments, and organizations. But also it includes a token, a small investment at the beginning, €250,000 into the company. They provide assistance with liaising and facilitating a lot of discussions, introductions with members of the European Battery Alliance, and essentially bring us into the fold of what is essentially becoming the Airbus of batteries in Europe. It is a major step for us. We've been brought into the inner sanctum of this rapidly emerging electric vehicle and battery industry.
And Marco, what sort of due diligence does the InnoEnergy do on Euro Manganese to accept you into this kind of partnership?
Well, we went through quite a process with them, which entailed initially introducing our project, our company, our plans to their organization. But ultimately, this went to a committee. It was a 15-member panel, which included representatives of automotive companies, battery, cathode, major banks, and European Union government people as well. The application, if you want, the process was successful. We ultimately got a letter from them that they were interested in our project. They felt it was important, and they were happy to support it. And there are many other things, a lot of reviews of all the work, technical work we have done, the environmental aspects, the social aspects of the project, and site visit. Many other things took place. So it was quite a lot of work. It took many months to get to where we are today.
And Marco, one of the issues is when you have to finance a project like this, is that you have to deal with banks and their debt financing and their rates of interest on that debt. Does this kind of agreement, given it's InnoEnergy is a public-private partnership, does this open up Euro Manganese to another form of potential funding?
A very important element of this new partnership is very much about providing us with access to funding, whether that access be to European Union funds, whether they be granting funds or lending from various government organizations. But it also goes far beyond that. We've set a target of up to 362 million euros to put together for this project from a variety of sources within this European Battery Alliance and other European organizations. And we feel this is very important. It's a recognition that this project is strategic for Europe. We stand to become the only primary producer of high purity manganese products in Europe. And this is something that Europe needs very much so. There's an enormous electric vehicle and battery industry that requires very large amounts of manganese in the coming years. And we've got a shot at becoming that only local supplier, only local primary supplier, I should say.
Marco, what does this mean for Euro Manganese?
It's big for us. It's the recognition, it's the validation of 5 years of work, and an acknowledgement that this project is important for Europe. We've got a shot at giving them a measure of self-sufficiency in a critical battery raw material, which is essentially one of the pillars on which a gigantic electric vehicle industry is being built on. They need to secure a variety of raw materials, but manganese, and in fact, high purity manganese is one of them. So we're thrilled and very happy to feel included now.
Marco Romero, thanks for your time.
Thank you very much.